Let's show you 53 Starling Lane, 3.9 acre land. From here maximum 10 minutes drive and you're in Port Hawkesbury. 5 to 7 minutes you are in Strait Richmond Hospital. And complete privacy here. So we have surveyed close to 4 acre land. We have a driveway, additional electricity pole, drill well, septic system, big space which is level with gravel. Here was from 2020 until 2022 modular mini home fixed here, so it's everything ready to put next one or to build your dream home or just put your trailer. No restrictive covenants in this good maintained subdivision, and additional you will have this snowproof, windproof greenhouse and 3 big raised beds, so to start your own garden with vegetables or what you wish. Very good asking price. 53 Starling Lane, close to Port Hawkesbury.